नहीं होता। जातरुचि ये जात और रुचि भक्तगण स्वभाव क्रम में शास्त्र में निपुण होते हैं और उनके नित्य सिद्ध जिसके विरुद्ध में शास्त्र की व्यवस्था करने फल नहीं होता जिनकी रुचि उत्पन्न हो
Because the ruchi has been developed in someone's hearts.
रुचि उत्पन्न नहीं हुआ
Until somebody is not getting the ruchi in their heart,
लोग समझने लगे
and he is thinking that I am,
विपरीत फल प्राप्त करते हैं।
so he will get the, if somebody's heart ruchi is not developed, so he will get the
इसके करे
different fall of the bhakti.
जातरुचि
That's why it is saying the jatrati,
जातरुचि भक्तगण स्वभाव में शास्त्र में निपुण
because jatrati sadhak has spontaneously love in their heart.
रुचि उत्पन्न होता है।
They have spontaneously ruchi in their heart.
भक्त के संग के प्रभाव
So after getting the association of Siddha Bhakta,
शास्त्रों में उसके भी ज्ञान होता है।
so he knows about the Shastra.
ये शास्त्र ज्ञान नहीं हुआ ये नहीं खा सकते।
That he is not know anything about the Shastra. So because from the previous life impression,
पूर्व जन्म में
according to the previous birth's impression, so he did the association with the sadhus.
और संग के फल
And then that's why, according to the sanghas, he got the tattva gyan.
साधु संग में फल से तत्व ज्ञान उत्पन्न हो जाता है।
So by the association of sadhus, this is a fruit that you will get the tattva gyan in your heart.
जागृति जात और रुचि भक्तगण स्वभाव क्रम से शास्त्र युक्ति में निपुण होते हैं।
So the jatrati sadhak spontaneously have the tattva gyan in their heart by the association of sadhu. That's why they know everything, the essence of shastras.
प्रैक्टिकल सहजिया और अपने को लोग बात रुचि की लेकर के अपने को रागानुगा कहा करके जगत में प्रचार
So the Babaji of Sahajiya, so
और अवैध
they are saying himself that we are the from the Ragunuka Bhakta.
भावना आदि करके अपने सर्वनाश को बुलाते हैं।
Halka Fulka. Sometimes what happens, some externally they used to say that I have ruchi, I have greed in the katha. But what happened internally? So what is the symptoms of greed? That in the Ragbhata Chandrika it is said the symptoms of greed. That by the symptoms you can know that he is ruchi in their heart by the hearing Harikatha. There are three kinds of symptoms, you know. In the Vedi Marg, what is the rules of Vedi Marga? Taking shelter of Guru, and he will follow all the limbs of bhakti. Shravan Kirtan, spontaneously they will ruchi in the Shravan Kirtan. So in the Vedic Bhakti, Shravan Kirtan is his Swarup Lakshan, will manifest in the heart as a Swarup Lakshan. Because so hearing the Katha, he will get so much greed in the heart. And the second is, so he will follow all the rules and regulation of scriptures. Utpatasya Tatvi Kevalam. Shruti Shastra, Smriti Shastra, Narad Pancharatri. So the rules and regulation is provided there, is mentioned there. So if will not one not follow that rules, then he is somebody saying that I have the Ekantiki Bhakti, that is that Utpatiki Kelam, that will do bad for others. Utpat, which is these symptoms of not favorable for bhakti, like
नियम तो उसको पालन करना
That's why it is saying, so they have to observe or follow the niyams, rules and regulations of the scriptures every day.
नाम मंत्र आदि
Every day
जप
fixed, every day fixed rounds, mantras chanting.
बहुत लोग को देखा जाता
I
है
have seen many people's
संन्यास आदि लेने के
after
बाद
taking the sannyas,
मंत्र जप करते हैं
they are chanting the sannyas
और
mantra,
बाकी मंत्र आदि हो
and they are not chanting another mantras.
क्यों
Why?
कहते हैं जैसे
Because this says,
हम एमए पीएचडी कर लिया
just like somebody has
फिर
MA
इसी
PhD,
क्लास
then
क्यों पढ़े
they used to say that what's the need of reading the lower class, so what is the need of chanting guru mantras and all.
इसी प्रकार
Bhaktivedanta Mata Maharaj ki jai. That's why they only used to chant sannyas mantras. Nitai Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol.
तो वो गुरु मंत्र आदि जप करने की क्या जरूरत
So that what's the need of chanting guru mantras and all, because we have already passed that.
है? आज
You know that?
कहते नहीं ऐसे कर
So that's why it is saying this is the offense.
समस्त गुरु प्रदत्त जो मंत्र है,
So all the mantras provided by the guru, they have to chant every day.
कुछ लोगों को कहते हैं
Some people used to
हम
say
सन्यासी हैं
we are sannyasi,
सन्यास श्रेष्ठ है
sannyas is the topmost, that's why, so we will only chant the sannyas mantras. We won't chant the guru mantras. What is the need of chanting guru mantras and gayatri mantras? But if so, doing this, it is an offense.
इसलिए भक्तियां
That's why Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada is saying here in the Anuvashya,
ये कुछ व्यक्ति जो है पूर्व आचार्य के विचार को देकर के बाद सांप्रदायिक
so giving up the views and philosophy of the previous acharyas, and he is establishing his
नया मत चलाते
his views and imposing his views. This is not favorable for
इससे
bhakti.
फिर अवैध श्रीलंकन मूर्खजनित भाव आदि पसंद करके अपने सर्वनाश को जो है बुलाते हैं।
So they are inviting there all the destroyers reasons.
इसलिए कहते हैं नहीं
That's why it is saying,
पूर्व आचार्य के भान
so the whatever the previous acharyas instructed
पालन
and the
करना चाहिए।
whatever they instructed, they have to follow that.
इसलिए कह रहे हैं
That's why it is saying,
या दिव्य साधन वाद्य साधन से करे श्रवण कीर्तन और मणि सिद्ध दिया करिए भगवान रात्रि दिन बजे करे राधा कृष्ण रस सेवन निजाभिष्ट कृष्ण पृष्ठ आचित लगिया निरंतर सेवा करे अंतर मना किया निज अभिष्ट सेवा है? और उसी में वो
Nija Vishravasa, so they have to observe in that service,
और निरंतर सेवा
and
करे
continuously, internally they have to serve continuously they have to serve internally by their minds,
और
the sadhak.
उसी प्रकार सेवा में रहो। जैसे काल की मैंने काल
As I told you yesterday about in a rag ta chandrika, there are 5 types of, there are the 5 kinds of stages of ragatmika bhakti raga: savishta, bhavmayi sadhan, सांच दासे साख्य वात्सल्य माधुर्य, accepting shantras, and other accept 4 ras, other 4 ras, so they have to accept savisht in the savisht bhavmayi sadhan, and then so they have to chant the mantra anukulta bhava, which is favorable for bhava, and observing Ekadashi, putting tilak, Sampradaik tilak, and Nam Mudra Nyas, and move off everything they has to follow. Have to chant the Bhagwan name, putting on tilak.
और भाव विरुद्ध जैसे गर्दा आदि ध्यान
So bhav viruddha, which is not favorable for bhava, like Dwarka Dhyan Rukmani Dhyan, this is not this is prohibited. And the Tatastha and Bhav Aviruddha. Aviruddha means which is not favorable or not unfavorable, which is Tatastha. Go Brahmana and Vipra Seva. Yeah, cow serving, cow serving and Brahman serving is not essential. If somebody is doing, that's good. If not doing, then no problem. So Puran reading, it doesn't mean accepting the Bhagavatam Puran. They have to read, study the Shrimad Bhagavatam. They has to study Shrimad Bhagavatam Puran. Accept Shrimad Bhagavatam. There is choice that if they are reading other Purans or not. It's their up to wish. Just like Garud Puran, Shiv Puran and many Purans. So if they are reading or not, it doesn't matter. But Shrimad Bhagavatam has to study, which is very favorite for Vaishnava, which is very dear for Vaishnava. Shrimad Bhagavatam. Hindi broadcast is also available. If that's why reading Puran is stable. Tatas, it is favorable or not favorable. It's totally up to the wish of the sadhak. And other Purans, they are reading or not, no problem. But Bhagavatam has to study. So especially in the Shrimad Bhagavatam 10th canto, so give more intense in studying 10th canto of Shrimad Bhagavatam, because the Shrimad canto of Shrimad Bhagavatam, it's a face of Bhagwan, it's a lotus feet of Bhagwan. So studying 10th canto of Shrimad Bhagavatam, it is mandatory, just like it is saying. So by the 4 ras serving of Krishna, in this way, Dasya Sakhya Vatsalya and the Priyasi Bhav, the Madhurya Bhav, carrying that, performing Bhajan and Sadhan. In this way, performing Bhajan and Sadhan, so they will get the love and affection towards Krishna's feet. So now describing Sadhya, Bhav Bhakti or Rati. There are 3 kinds of Sadhan Bhakti, Bhav Bhakti, Prem Bhakti. Bhav Bhakti or Prem Bhakti. What? So Sadhan Bhakti's purpose is how sadhak can attain the Bhav, and the Bhav Bhakti's purpose is how sadhak can get the Prem. How we attain the Bhav Bhakti. So, and the Rati is describing here. Yesterday I told you about the 5 kinds of sadhan: Shreya sadhan, Shreya sadhan, Viruddha sadhan, Aviruddha sadhan, or. So I told you about the 5 kinds of sadhan yesterday. And especially in this way, Shri Murti Darshan, I told you about that. There are many kinds of vichars here. In the Shri Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad and Jeev Goswami Pad, according to different views, they are describing. And earlier than the previous acharyas got this kinds of bhava, especially the Raghunath Das Goswami. So they showed the bhajan paddhati of him. Rup Goswami Pad, he collected all the ingredients, and the Raghunath Das Goswami, and collecting all the samagri, he mixed up. Rup Goswami collected all the ingredients of bhakti, and Raghunath Das Goswami mixed up that ingredients. just like that somebody wants to make any kinds of any things and dishes. So first they have to collect everything, then they have to mix up, they have to make a paste and everything. Just like they have to carry water, kapoor, elaichi, cardamoms, tej patta, jeera, neebu, all the things is are there. But how that ingredients have to mix up and in which ratio, this is has to know. That's why our Rupa Goswami Path, they he has collected all the ingredients, but that ingredients, how he has to mix up the ingredients and how to make a mix up or pay or bhakti anukula. That's why it's saying Rup Raghunath Pad Rahu Morias Pratna Kare Sada Narottam Das. So taking of the shelter of Rup and Raghunath, but in fact it is saying in the Rupanuk Bhajan Paddhati how we can proceed. After Ragatmika Bhajan, Ragunaka Bhajan, I told you Ragatmika. First I told you about Ragatmika Bhajan. Just like Ragatmik Jan, how they serve the Nitya Prati Parikar of Krishna, and they have love and affection, spontaneously in their heart, Ananya Mamta. So it's totally, everything is depend on the unflinching faith, unflinching Ananya Mamta, unflinching 1.8 affection. So that's why describing the love's definition one by one. Ananya Mamta means 1.8 affection. Only they have affection only towards on Krishna's only. That's why Ragatmik Janta Nitya Siddha. So under the guidance who are performing bhajan and sadhan, this is called the Raganuga bhajan. And all these, after that there is a Rupanuk bhajan Paddhati. Just like Rupa Goswami Pad and Rup Manjari, how they serve Shrimati De Radhika Ji. That's why Rupa Goswami Pad, we have to accept the bhajan Paddhati of Rupa Goswami Pad. All the Gaudiya Vaishnava peoples who are the Parikar of Mahaprabhu, so they feel proud themselves because they are Rupanug. We are Rupanug, Rupa Goswami. We are following bhajan sadhan under the guidance of Rupa Goswami. We are serving. We are having the tendency of service of Rupanug. So because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has provided his heart feelings to Rupa Goswami Pad, Mahaprabhu himself said, Jogya Patra Jani Rupera Sab Samarpiya. Mahaprabhu said himself, because Rup is the capable patra for getting all this vidya. That's why I am providing all kinds of my manovishta, my heart feeling to him. And actually Rup can describe all kinds of the scriptures nicely. That's why he provided to Rupa Goswami. That's why Mahaprabhu said that, all the Vaishnava who were sitting around some Mahaprabhu, so they said, please, hey, mercy upon Rupa Goswami. Rupa. Mahaprabhu given all these things to Rupa Goswami Pad. To whom we give our house keys, who is very trustable, whom we can trust easily, which is very, very
उसकी चाबी दिया जाता है।
विश्वसनीय,
एक
like
दूसरे के
trustable.
तो सब
So if we give it, if we give the key to other person, so he will loot and dacoit. He will snatch everything.
আপনার ঘরের লোকে দিচ্ছে ওদের অনাথের দিচ্ছে বিশ্বাস তো করছে না মানে ওটা তো অনাথের পাবে আর বাইরে লোকে দিচ্ছে বিশ্বাস করে দিতে হবে ওই যে অদ্ভুত ঘটনা
मुझे क्या पता? I don't know Bengali.
দুজনকে দেয় তারপর বিশ্বাস করে দিচ্ছে আর আপনি দিলে ওইভাবে
That's why
सर्वश्रेष्ठ धन जो है
the topmost money, topmost dhan has given, Mahaprabhu has given to Rup Goswami. He has given all his money, all his possession to Rupa Goswami. And Rupa Goswami Pad given that dhan possession to Raghunath Das Goswami. Because Rupa Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami has sheltered, surrendered himself into the feet of Rupa Goswami Pad. That's why Raghunath Goswami Pad said Rupanug Acharya Varj. So who has known the heart of Rupa Goswami Pad? Who can understand that? Or Raghunath Goswami, Jeev Goswami Pad and Raghunath Das Goswami. They can understand the heart of Rupa Goswami. So especially here described by for Raghunath Das Goswami only. So because he is one and only, understand the bhav of Rupa Goswami Pad. Roop is not ordinary. Roop is not ordinary. She is the form of Srimati Radhika Rani. That's Rupa Goswami is. किसने किया था? किसने describe? Swarup Damodar described about Rupa Goswami. He described, he is glorified to Rupa Goswami Pad. He did the Stavisuddhi. Priya Swarupa, Dayata Swarupa. It is written by the Swarup Damodar. He is glorified Rupa Goswami Pad very nicely. प्रियस्य स्वरूपे दैत्य स्वरूपे यमृत गौरांग बलि ते हबे पुलक शरीरा हरि हरि बलि ते नयने बबिनी रूप रघुनाथ पद रघुरे आस Why are you laughing? तना कराए सदा Okay, I can see it later. No problem. I will let you know that who is praised the Rupa Goswami Pad, Swarup Damodar or हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीन बंधु जगतपति गोपीश चैतन्य चंद्रोदय. Which shloka? Precious Rupe. Which shloka is this?
भक्ति रस तत्व शास्त्र विस्तार तथा चैतन्य चंद्रोदय नाथ सनातन सर्वे दैत स्वरूपे नैम स्वरूपे साधु रूपे निजान रूपे प्रभु रूपे स्थान रूपे
सविलास रूपे सविलास रूपे पैच स्वरूपे स्वरूप स्वरूपे स्वरूप स्वरूप वाह पैच स्वरूपे स्वरूप स्वरूपे it is written by Swarup Damodar or whom? Swarup Swarupe Swarup. No, he is just confirming. अरे
जिसमें
आनंद laughing is the symptoms of love. एक तो ये बंगाली क्या क्या बोलते हैं इन बंगाली आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. हाँ नीड टू लर्न. So that's why it's saying for Rupa Goswami Pad about Raghunath Das Goswami. Raghunath Das Goswami. That's why Rupanug Acharya Pravar is Raghunath Das Goswami's primary and Jeev Goswami. So how Raghunath Das Goswami is writing? In the morning I said Palasvar, Hey Bhagwan. I have chanted the shloka. Indubati, you know? I don't know any shloka.
ये रूप गोस्वामी पाद की भावना रूप चिंता मनीषद की संस्कृत मत्संत दुर्दांत इस श्लोक में है.
In the shloka it's saying
रघुनाथ दास संस्कृत रचित श्लोक है.
This is written by Raghunath Das Goswami. Rup Goswami Pad or Rupa Manjari, the way they are serving Srimati Radhika. So under the guidance of how I get this service. So that's why Raghunath Das Goswami is used to say topmost Rupanuga Acharya Jabara, after because he know the Bhav Madhurya of Rupa Goswami Pad. That's why here it is saying that how we get all kind this how we get this all kinds of bhav.
अविद्या साधन भक्ति एवे कहिनु सनातन संक्षेप संक्षेपे कहिनु विस्तार न जाय वर्णन. अविद्या साधन भक्ति सुने जैतम अचिरात पाय श्री कृष्ण प्रेमधन श्री रघुनाथ परिजादास चैतन्य चैतामृत कहि कृष्णदास.
जय हो. Here is Bhagavati is describing here.
ये कृष्ण
that Krishna,
के प्रति हमारी रुचि कैसे होती
how we develop the rati for
है? लक्षण
towards Krishna, what is the symptoms of rati?
अभी वर्णन कर रहे हैं।
So here describing
ये देखो पवित्र साधन भक्ति एक बहनों संक्षिप्त में विस्तार ना है वर्णन ये कृष्ण के प्रति हमारे प्रेम की बात रुचि कैसे उत्पन्न
that how we develop the love and affection towards rati towards Krishna from Shraddha to Asakti, and from
क्या बोलते हैं साधन भक्ति का
this is called the Sadhan Bhakti,
और फिर इसके बाद
and then
भाव भक्ति
Bhav Bhakti, and then after the Prem Bhakti.
भाव उत्पन्न होने के पहले
After, so before getting the bhav, before developing the bhav, this is called sprouts of the bhakti. This is called rati. Just like in the Dasarati. So having the Dasabhav towards Krishna, so this is called Dasarati. According to the Sakhya Bhav, having Sakyarati, Vatsalya Hode, if you are having Vatsalya, that is Vatsalya Bhav or Vatsalya Rati, and the Madhurya Rati. So this same Rati, this is the sprout of, this Rati is the sprout of Bhava. There are two symptoms, internal or externally, there are two symptoms there. So there are 9 kinds of external symptoms. What is today? Vasati. This is called the 9 kinds of symptoms. There are 9 kinds of symptoms of externally, and internally is 3. This is called Swarup Lakshan. 3 Swarup Lakshan. First is Avinivesh, desiring of getting Bhagwan. Anukulamai Cheshta, Avilasha, Anukulamai Cheshta, and the third one is so desires of their dearest, near and dearest Jan, Parikar. The feelings of serving, the feelings of service of their near and dear peoples, Parikar. Swarup Lakshan we will describe tomorrow. God Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. Thank you for tolerating me. Hare Krishna. Jai Shri Gurudev की जय, समस्त viewers की जय. ताई गौर प्रेमानंदे, हरि हरि बोल.